Hey, a good day to you. This is Rain, founder of Forex 100. So today on the weekly market analysis, let's look at dollar yen. On the daily chart, you can see a bearish movement, a retracement of a 88.6. So right now on the dollar yen, like the euro dollar, it doesn't have a distinct trend on the daily chart. All right. To define a distinct trend, it has to break two highs or two lows and close above and below of them before it can be confirmed a trend. Alright, so down to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour chart, a bit of consolidation that happens over here. Okay, so when consolidation happens, it breeds pattern. Even you don't see it drop one time frame lower. On the 1-hour chart, have you spotted anything yet? Alright, so it is quite a movement over here. Don't underestimate this kind of movement. And this is one of the characteristics of dollar yen. Very defined movement, refined movement towards the downside. And you can see that there's no point of a reversal sign or whatsoever. If you make any mistakes without stops, this is quite a painful journey. Alright, so recent movement, you can see a bearish engulfing happen one after the other. So you may wait for a retest back to the high if it happens for a shorting opportunity as a support resistance trade. Alright, so back to the daily chart, let me share with you my analysis and let's see what the software has detected. So dollar yen on the daily chart, I'm waiting for a bullish back pattern 10230. So it's important for you to learn so you get to plot the pattern in advance before the software at times before the software that has spotted. Alright, so if the market hit down to 10230, it will be a level that of my interest for a buying opportunity. To the 4-hour chart, on the 4-hour chart, we have a lower level of a ABCD as well as a bad pattern. For my observation, personally, I don't think it's going to make it in time before this trade expire. Down to the 1 hour, this is what I love it, you see, a pattern over another pattern. Alright, so from this sharp pattern onwards, we have a consecutive of 4 patterns right now, and every one of them is a consecutive wins. And of course, the previous setup is a loser. It's a shark pattern, but it's fine, you know. And once you have really follow all the filter, you know that this shouldn't be a setup that you should engage. All right, so right now I'm waiting for a Gartley at 107.55. So Gartley, personally, I don't quite like it because the reward to risk ratio is not very good compared to other setup. But it really depends how this Gartley is set up. If I have a long shadow that qualify this D price and it did not break and close above 10742, I will not hesitate for another moment to engage the trade, and I'll expect a V top to happen, meaning say market went up and came down and touched my target profits. However, if it doesn't happen, then I'll prefer it to go a bit higher and not breaking the X level for a shorting opportunity. Alright, so if you want to know the move and exact entry, stops and target for this trade, well, scan this QR code and you'll be let into our community to receive those levels. And have I not say if the pattern set up too early, like 9 a.m. On 18th of May at the time of +3 GMT, then this trade will be invalid as well. Alright, so scan this QR code, join our community, receive our software, online education, and our weekly student meetup all in one right now. Limited time only. Till then, remember always plan your trade and trade your plan, and looking forward to see you soon.